What's going on?
Oh, I'm just tired, man.
Yeah?
Long week.
Yeah. Well, we went and saw KGL, man.
Yeah, Harlow's.
Yeah.
Pretty good crowd. I didn't expect that many people to show up at that show. I mean, it looked like it when the opening bands were on. It looked like it was going to be kind of weak, and then all of a sudden it filled up. You know, and pretty good crowd.
And then all of a sudden Cage came on and it was like,
Yeah.
everybody came in. They packed the place. Everybody was on.
Yeah, man, and that singer, man, it's like if you ever watch a Casey Elephant show and just turn the sound down, you would think it was some crazy punk rock band. You know, because that guy is just nuts, man. He's jumping up and down, he's headbanging, and the music, it's good, but it's not that heavy.
No, he's got good stage presence, though.
Yeah, I mean, we were all wondering what he was on, though, because remember when they played in the studio,
Allegedly.
right? When they played in the studio, he was acoustic, so it was really mellow, and we knew he was high. He was stoned, we were guessing, maybe heroin or something, but,
or Lucky Charms.
Right? But it was good, though.
They played the hits. They rocked it out with Ain't No Rest and Back Against the Wall.
Oh, yeah, and those opening bands. The first band kind of was, a little depressing, but, they were good. Kind of reminded me of the Doors, the end.
Yeah, I thought the guy, if you gave him a gun, he'd probably kill himself right on stage there. It seemed like he was going to cry, which I guess that's good acting.
But the second band picked it up a little bit.
Yeah.
It was pretty good.
Yeah, they kind of sound like a funky, Modest Mouse.
Except good.
All right, cool. Sounds good.
Finish this beer and watch the